I'm at Pembroke Car Show. What do I find? I find Abe Lincoln. Believe it or not, Abe Lincoln drives a Lincoln. Hi, Mr. Lincoln. How are you doing today? What do you think of today's modern technology? Yes, isn't it amazing? I can't believe this. Honest Abe is here with us. Can you believe it?
Help me bring a statue in.
Right, he came back. Can you believe that? He came back and he's here at the car shows with me.
He sent 200 agents on the stage, whichever move he tried to take.
I like Honest Abe, man. He came back to see us. Oh, he wants help with the statue. It probably weighs about 1,000 pounds and he wants me to carry it. Okay, we'll see what we can do.
I'll take the heavy end. Take the head here.
Oh, gee. I didn't eat my Cheerios. No, Wheaties. Oh, geez. Hey, that's a little heavier than I thought. Oh, we have a helper. Thank you.
I help him unload.
Oh, do you? All right. Thank you. Okay, as he's loading his statue in his trunk in the year 2012.